Rengin persang banle hok ya ka kamram ji kum kita ki parti ki benar kelem persang nyen sha jam mega sorkar wala ngi don tang knya ru renga kwa ru ban pen pa ni sai sien bagi non kesan jong ka voice of the people party kinam don kam ban perkha arti ni ku kinam lam nyen syukor ki nyen set kelai ki nyen ni akan nongrim ban ngi kerpa ki bakin ai ka jingkesan ni daga babu jingwai ki bakerpang bang ya akini ki samse ma pregi jinga ki bobon rangkat upai ba rangkat ki nonglim ki basem ki ji kata ka ki bang chwa ban pes in sha jam mega sorkar wala ngi don tang knya ru in sha jam mega sorkar wala ngi don tang knya ru
down we condemn the governor. We condemn the governor for addressing us in the language we don't understand.
This is not the behavior that is expected of an elected member. Mr. Speaker, sir, this is not the behavior expected of the elected member. The Honorable Speaker, the Honorable Governor is addressing the House.
Stop the governor.
The Honorable
we are
Governor is
not
addressing the
misbehaving.
House.
We are
This is
truly
not the
representing
kind
the
of-
voice of the people of the state.
This is not the kind of
This is
behavior is
against
expected
sentiment of the people.
elected
The
members.
people of the state will not accept to be imposed. Language to be imposed on us.
Sir, the rules are
I
very
don't
clear.
understand what you are talking in Hindi.
Rules are very clear that if the written speech has been put in the House, the honorable members.
No. This is a
Honorable
design
members
from the
can-
government of India to start
there are
imposing on the
restrictions.
states.
If an individual is not
we know
able
what
to
is the
read
design.
English, then we cannot
No,
impose
sir.
it on the individual.
We will not allow
The
this.
written speech has been circulated in the House.
Yes,
And
but
therefore,
it
since
should
the
be
written speech
transacted
is
in English.
circulated in the House.
The rule is clear. The
So
rule is
therefore,
clear.
yes, and the rule also says
Rule
that
is
the written
clear.
speech should be given. Mr. Speaker, sir, I request that this kind of behavior should not be admitted. This is not the way the Honorable Governor
government
is
will have to
addressing the
think
House.
from now on.
This is not the kind of behavior that's expected of elected members. The written speech has been circulated
have to do
everybody.
anything.
And there is no reason why this
Self-respect
issue
of the
should be
state
made.
and its people is
If an
more
individual
important, we
has
cannot
got
compromise.
certain limitations in terms of not being able to speak or read a particular language, then we have to allow, because the written speech has been circulated. It is not that the Honorable Governor
No,
is
we should
speaking,
not allow this to become a
speaking
tradition.
only because he wants
Addressing
to
the
speak.
Meghalaya Legislative
He is
Assembly by
able to
Hindi.
read Hindi. He's not able to read English, and that's the limitation that is there. There is no reason that we should make
have
this
to
an
understand
issue.
that Meghalaya
He
is
is not
not a
doing it
Hindi-speaking
because he
state.
wants to do it. He's doing it because he has limitations of
Meghalaya
reading,
is not a Hindi-speaking
not in
state.
English, but in Hindi. And therefore, the written speech has been circulated as per rules in English. And hence, as a respect, this is very, very sad to see that a disrespect like
It may
this
be
is being
sad, but
done
the people is
to
happy
the member, to
when
the
they see
Honorable
us
Governor of the
raising
House.
the sentiment of the
Therefore-
people before the House.
Therefore, it's very sad, and I request the members
We respect the people who elected us.
not to bring out an
We
issue
know
like
this
this.
is against the
This is
sentiment
not
of the
way.
people of the state. The people of the state have not given us the mandate
please sit down,
to
please?
speak in Hindi in
Would you
this
please
house.
sit down? Would you please take your seat? Would you please take your seat? Would you please take your seat?
Sending Hindi-speaking governors to us, we don't understand what they're talking, so we will stage a walkout. We don't want to be part of this proceeding, sir. And those who don't feel insulted, they may stay in their seats.
This is an insulting for the state.
वॉकआउट कर गया। राज्य सरकार स्वास्थ्य और शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में फर्मी डिलीवरी को बढ़ाने पर